The government of Andhra Pradesh has started construction work of over 15 lakh houses. The project is aimed towards achieving housing for all in the state. Namaskar, I am Deepak Singh and you're watching Property Matters. The construction work of Phase 1 of over 15.6 lakh houses has started on 3rd of June 2021. Now what this project holds for home buyers of Andhra Pradesh? Let's find out. The government's ambitious project Pedar Andarki Illu scheme was announced in December 2020. CM had then distributed house site pattas in the names of nearly 28,30,227 women beneficiaries. While house construction of around 28.3 lakh are to be built along with 17,000 Jagannath colonies, another 2.62 lakh are set to be constructed of Township and Infrastructure Development Corporation flats at a total cost of Rs 50,940 crore. The government aims to complete the construction of Phase 1 works by June 2022. The rest of construction works of another 12.7 lakh houses at a cost of Rs 22,860 crores will be taken over under Phase 2. Usually under such scheme, construction of housing projects or houses take place. But the AP CM has a different vision. He has asked to create towns instead of just housing projects or houses. Work has been expedited for CC roads, underground CC drains, water supply, electricity and internet connection. The government is spending Rs 32,909 crore on new housing projects and Rs 4,128 crore on drinking water facilities, Rs 22,587 crore on roads and drainage, Rs 4,986 crore on power supply, Rs 627 crore on internet and Rs 567 crore on other facilities. The CM has directed the officials to ensure availability of amenities in these houses. Therefore, each houses in this scheme will be built on 340 square feet with a bedroom, hall, kitchen and a bathroom. Apart from that, each house is provided with 2 fans, 2 tube lights, 4 bulbs and a water tank. The mapping and registration required for the construction of houses has already been completed. Geotagging works are in the final stages. Water projects required for housing were undertaken in 8,798 layouts, of which work was completed on 2,284 layouts. In order to best use the funds, the supply of raw materials was done at a low price through reverse tendering. Warehouses have been set up at the village and mandal level in order to store cement and other materials for the beneficiaries. The government has also decided that 20 metric ton of sand will be provided to each house free of cost from nearby sand rigs. The first phase of housing construction will provide 21.7 crore man-days of employment to workers. Also, large-scale construction workers like rod vendors, carpenters, electricians, bricklayers and cement sellers will benefit during this time. The construction of these houses can be done in 3 ways. In the first option, the entire building material and labor charges will be given by the government, where the beneficiary can construct the house as per the choice. In the second option, the beneficiary has to build on their own and has to procure building material and the money will be released in phases. The third option is that the government shall take up the entire responsibility of building the house, just like the model house, where each house will consist of 1 bedroom, living room, kitchen, toilet and veranda with a total plinth area of 340 square feet and will be provided with basic amenities like lights, fans, overhead tank and water connection. Speaking at the virtual launch event of the ambitious project, the CM said, "In this state, no individual should experience the plight of not having a house. The AP government is fulfilling the poor person's dream of owning a house and ensuring the women of the state are secured and empowered by registering their house pattas under the women's name, in a way that was never heard of, seen or before this housing activity is taking place. Today, we take a step forward towards that dream." The government's approach of providing houses laden with all the amenities will help home buyers complete their dream of owning a house in Andhra Pradesh. The project will also create jobs and spur the construction industry in the state amidst the ongoing pandemic crisis. And as the work on the Phase 1 of the project has already started, we hope that the dream of affordable housing in the state will soon become a reality. So this was all about Government of Andhra Pradesh Housing for All scheme. If you have any more questions, write to me on my Twitter handle and you can also write on the comment section below. This is Deepak Singh signing off with cameraman Nitin Rajput. Please like and share this video and do subscribe to MBTV.